Remove the pulp from the zucchini. I've been cooking them like this for years. Easy and tasty recipe. To start, cut 1 zucchini into slices. Next, remove the pulp from them. Tell me in the comments where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Also, cut 2 sausages into dice. To continue, put these sausages into a bowl and add 2 cloves of minced garlic, fine herbs to taste, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 3 eggs, half cup of grated Parmesan, half cup of ricotta cheese, and stir. Now in a frying pan, add oil and spread it with the help of a brush. Then put the zucchini and fill the center with the mixture we made. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving the recipe. So like the video and write in the comments, "I love zucchini." When one side is ready, turn it over to fry the other side. You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and so delicious. I'm sure everyone in your family will like the results. And to finish it off, you can serve it with heavy cream. It's delicious. And our recipe is ready. Now you just have to enjoy it. Look how wonderful it is. Be sure to make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.